A lot of people think freelancing means competing with seasoned professionals, building a polished portfolio, and spending every evening chasing clients across multiple platforms. But micro-freelancing works differently. The problem is, most beginners overcomplicate it. They aim too big, too fast, and end up overwhelmed. So today, I want to break down how small, clearly defined tasks can turn into reliable extra income. The kind that fits around a full-time job, family life, and a brain that's already tired by 8 p.m. No career switch, no endless hustle, just simple work done well. Micro-freelancing is exactly what it sounds like. You're not offering huge projects or long contracts. You're getting paid to complete small, well-scoped tasks that solve specific problems for someone else. Think less build a brand and more fix this one thing. It's especially useful if you already have a job, limited energy in the evenings, or a life that doesn't leave room for endless client calls and vague project briefs. Traditional freelancing often fails beginners because it's fuzzy. You'll hear things like, "Let's discuss the scope," or "Can you just add one more thing?" or "It's only a quick tweak." But those quick tweaks often turn into entire weekends lost. Micro-freelancing avoids all of that. Each task has a clear start, a clear finish, and a clear price. You know what you're doing, how long it will take, and when it's done, it's done. You might offer proofreading up to 1,000 words, formatting a CV, uploading podcast episodes, creating a simple Canva graphic, researching leads, organizing inboxes or spreadsheets. Nothing flashy, nothing open-ended, just useful work that someone else doesn't want to do. The biggest advantage of micro-freelancing isn't the money, it's predictability. You know what the task is before you accept it. You know how long it'll take, and you know when it's finished. That makes it perfect if you work full-time, have kids, are studying or training, or simply run out of mental bandwidth after dinner. You can take on one task a week, or 5, or none. There's no guilt, no penalties, and no momentum to maintain. The best micro-freelancing skills are usually the least exciting. If you can write clearly, follow instructions, organize information, spot errors, and use basic tools like Google Docs, Excel, or Canva, you're already qualified. A lot of people get stuck thinking they need a marketable skill. In reality, clients just want things done properly and on time. Boring, reliable, and clear beats talented but flaky every single time. You can find micro-freelancing work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, but the key is how you position yourself. Instead of saying, "I offer virtual assistant services," say, "I upload and schedule blog posts in WordPress," or "I proofread up to 1,000 words within 24 hours," or "I format CVs for UK job applications." Specific sells, vague gets ignored. And once someone hires you once, repeat work is common. People love rehiring someone who already understands their process. Something interesting tends to happen once you've done a few freelance jobs. You realize you're repeating yourself. The same explanations, the same instructions, the same, "By the way, here's how to avoid this next time." That's usually the moment people think, there must be a more efficient way to do this. And they're right. A lot of freelancers quietly solve this by packaging parts of their work. Not full courses or big products. Simple things like checklists, templates, onboarding guides, or example documents. Instead of recreating them every time, they sell or include them using simple platforms like Gumroad. For example, a proofreader sells a self-editing checklist. A virtual assistant sells a weekly admin template. A social media freelancer sells caption frameworks. These are small, useful add-ons that save time for everyone involved. You keep freelancing, you just stop repeating yourself. Micro-freelancing won't make you rich overnight, and that's the point really. A single task might pay $20 to $50, but they do add up quickly. 2 tasks a week could cover groceries. 4 could cover a bill. 6 might fund a weekend away. And if you combine these services with small digital add-ons, income becomes steadier without the extra hours. This is about control, not hustle. Micro-freelancing works because it respects real life. You don't need a brand, you don't need confidence on camera, and you don't need to quit your day job. You just need to solve small problems clearly, reliably, and without drama. Here's what a realistic rhythm might look like. Week 1. Proofread a short article. Week 2. Upload 2 podcast episodes. Week 3. Format a CV and create a simple Canva graphic. And week 4. Take a break just because life got busy. There's no pressure, no guilt, just a steady rhythm that bends around your life instead of breaking it. If you want the bigger picture of how micro-freelancing fits alongside other realistic income ideas, I break it all down in the top 5 side hustles video. And if you like the idea of packaging small templates or guides alongside your freelance work, I've linked Gumroad below. It's one of the simplest ways to sell small digital extras without tech headaches. Click on the link, that really helps the channel. Simple tools, calm systems, and no nonsense. That's the essence of micro-freelancing. It's not glamorous, but it's practical. It's not dramatic, but it is sustainable. And if you're tired of advice that demands heroic effort, this is the antidote. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.